Okay, let us proceed to our third example. We have 3.4 miles per hour. We need to convert this into feet per second. A relationship between miles and feet up here, and hour and second also here. So let's begin. 3.4 miles per hour multiplied by, now since the mile up here, you put the mile down here, and feet up. 1 mile equal to 5,280 feet. Then you eliminate the hours. In the hour down here, you put the hour up here. Second down, 1 hour equal to 3,600 seconds. Let's do the cross simplify. Miles with miles, hour with hour. All have left is feet per second. That's what we want, feet per second. Let's multiply the numerator together and the denominator together. We have 3.4 multiplied by 5,280 feet equal to 17,952 feet. And then second multiply together with this number, you will have 3,600 seconds. Since we need feet per second, you divide the number of feet by the number of seconds. You divide by 3,600. So if you round the answer to the nearest 100, you will have approximately 4.99 feet per second. So our answer, 4.99 feet per second.